Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Federal Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search Federal Bank Login USA. Then go to the first result that shows up or directly go to www.fednetbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Federal Bank. There choose between your account if you are a personal banking account, corporate banking account or a new user. Then click to continue to log in. There on the right side of the page, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Then enter your mobile number including your country code. Then enter your verification code. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Federal Bank account. If you have forgot your password or user ID, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password or Forgot User ID. And if you are new to Federal Bank, you can sign up a new account by clicking to Sign Up. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.